Okay, this is the continuation of previous video. In the last section of this video, we have seen how to merge a two data frame. Okay, so if we have a two data frame, then how to merge how to merge data frame with the help of merge function in Pandas library. For this, first we need to import the Pandas in our Jupyter notebook as PD. So we write here import PD as Pandas and create a data frame df1 and another data frame df2, and then we use the merge function to merge both data frame as you can see here. Okay, now after that we have also discussed about the how equal to right and how equal to right and left parameter. Okay, so when we use the right parameter, it means it take the according to the right data frame, which is the df1 here. And if we use here left, so it take the it merge according to the left data frame, which is here df2. And now if we want to suppose print all values according to left and right both, for this we use here in the place of right, we use here outer, how equal to outer. You can see here both values left and right data frame are printed as in our data frame df1 have the id is 1234 and the data frame is id 1235. So according to both data frame df1 and df2, the outer parameter return the value in the combined data frame df1 and df2, as you can see here. Okay, now if we want to know about the information about each and every row in our data frame, for this we write here simply first, or you can we can copy this path again, or simply we write here the indicator parameter used to indicate all different rows values in our data frame. So for this we write simple indicator, and indicator by default take a false value. For this to take true value, we need to write true. So simply we write here indicator equal to true. Okay, simply we write indicator equal to true, and then true means capital T, because it is boolean value and take the capital T. Okay, now run this program. It is under process. As you can see, the star sign shows the process is under. Okay, now you can see all values print in our data frame according to the row. As you can see, the in this data frame is nan value. It means it take only left side value, and here only take on the right side value. So as you can see in our data frame, it take a right, which one is right side and which one is left side. So with the help of indicator parameter, we can print all left and right value and get the information about the rows, which rows is printed left side and which is in from the right side. Okay, now as in our data frame d1 and d2 have some common values, as you can see again. Suppose first we write to print our data frame, write df1. Okay, this is my data frame df1, and write df2. So my data frame df2. So id is 1234 and here id is 123 and 5. So in this condition, we have already discussed how to merge the two data set when one point is not common in both data frame. But if we have a situation like this, if id of df1 and df2 are different, totally different, then how to merge our data. So suppose our data set df, we call our data frame df2, and then change the id column. So here our data frame, this is our data frame 2. So first we need to write here, suppose 5 and then 6, then 7, and then 8. Okay, simply run. Okay, now df2 is different from the df1, totally different, because the id in the common key is different in df2. So first we need to run this program here. As you can see, df2 is 5, 6, 7, 8, and df1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now need to merge both. For this we use the right index and left index, as it is mentioned in our, as you can see, the merge function. Okay, so simply we write here pd dot merge. First we write pd.merge and data frame df1 comma df2 separated by comma, right left index and right index. In this condition, when both IDs are different, both IDs ID in data frame 1 and data frame 2 are different. So right here left index equal to true, left index equal to true, comma, right index equal to true. True, T is capital. Okay, now run this program. Okay, as you can see, the id underscore x and id underscore y are different IDs in both the data frames. So with the help of right index and left index parameter in merge function, we print all our data set, or we merge the two data set in which the ID are different. Okay, now if in both parameter or in both data frame, as you can see here, data frame 1 and 2, if name and class are same, if both are same, as you can see, the class in data frame 1 and name in data frame is same, then when we merge both data frame, then what is our output? For this, to see this output, first we need to suppose copy this and paste here, paste. Okay, now print df1. Okay, now we use a merge function and simply copy this and paste here and paste again here. Okay, so df1 with df1, okay, both are same, then what is your output? So again, suppose we need to remove these things. Okay, now data frame 1 again copy and paste here and right name is df2, suppose. Okay, so as you can see, both are same. Now because both are same, now merge both data frame. Okay, as you can see, in both data frame, because we write here, we not try here with the help which is a key as a use. So first we write here id as a key. So when we both data frame 1 and data frame 2 are same, then when we merge both data frame, because you can see in the both data frame class and name are same. So when we need to merge both data frame, what is the output? As you can see here, when we run this program, as you can see, the both column name converted into class underscore x and underscore y, because in both data frame class and class are same. So to distinguish between the which one is first and which one is second, the merge data frame convert into class underscore x and class underscore y, because this is the specify parameter in data frame. So it is used by the suffix parameter in the merge function. We can basically suffix used when we have both the overlapping condition, or both the column names in our data frame are same, or you can say the overlapping problem. To handle this type of problem, the merge function has the parameter suffix. Okay, so this is the suffix problem. You can change the name of this class x and class y by writing here suffix. Here simple write suffix equal to simple write suffix uh, suffix equal to in the bracket, right? Suppose underscore code and underscore easy in the easy. If when we write this underscore code and underscore easy in this suffix parameter of the merge function, simply we write here and then simply run the program. So when we, as you can see, the here star sign is because this program is under processing. When this processing complete, we got the output. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the class x underscore and class underscore y is changed by the code and easy. Hope so it is clear of you. If you have any type of query, please write in comment section. Thank you.